Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Welcome back. Hope you're having a great day. Today we are doing a Fabfitfun spring unboxing, and when you see what's in here, you will freak out. So if you've been a long time Fabfitfun subscriber, maybe you can answer this question. I don't know, but this might be the first like designer product in here, like designer, like very new. I mean, no, we've gotten Michael Kors stuff before, so that's like designer, but I'm talking like this is from a designer who does New York Fashion Week, like is very popular, sells like $600, $800, $1,000 jackets on their website, like very hip, very cool. I'm so excited. I can't wait to show you. And we got two things. You want an option to get two things from this designer. Okay, so I'll show you that in a second. But first, before I begin, Fabfitfun is a seasonal box, meaning it comes out spring, summer, winter, fall. Spring, summer, winter, fall. Okay, wait. Yes, okay. I just did those out of order and that like messed me up so bad. And I thought there was 5 seasons. I don't know what's going on. But anyway, it is packed with full-size beauty, fashion, and lifestyle products. Oh my God, I have found so many great products. I am telling you, this is the best subscription box of all of them. Every single month, I'm like, how can they even make it better? And they do. And like this month, I'm like, how could they make it better than the last one? Because the last one was pretty amazing. And now we have like all these designer items in here, like literally crazy stuff. I'll tell you, like this was probably the first month where I go, okay, you know what? I might even have to like just sign up for another one just so I can get the other items. The reason why it's also the best subscription box like that is on the face of this planet Earth right now is because you get to customize like a majority of the products that come in the box. So you get to make a decision about what do I want. You're not gonna get anything bad in your box, but you get to choose the most important items in the box, like the biggest ticket items you get to pick. So it's really great. It's really great. You cannot be disappointed. Like it's virtually impossible. There's always going to be something that you want in there. I guarantee it. Like it's so great. And available US, Canada, and the UK. So anyway, let me just start opening this because you don't need to hear anymore. But if you want to, you can use my code. It's Kiki10. You get $10 off your first box. And it's already affordable as it is. So, all right, here's the box. Oh my God. This is one of the more beautiful ones. Like I just have to say, it's one of the more beautiful ones. And honestly, this is just a great box if you want to like keep stuff in it. If you want to keep the actual box to store things in, do that. Like just do that, you know what I mean? Just do it. This is just so gorgeous and it's humongous. So I told you guys before, I said it once, I said it again, best subscription box. All right, I gotta relax. Opening it up, are you ready? I don't think you're ready. Okay, opening it up, it's packed to the brim. We love to see stuff packed to the absolute brim. So first, we got stickers this month. They're so cute. I love stickers, you know me. So we got these gorgeous stickers, and then you get like a HelloFresh coupon. You get like a little note. So I'm just gonna start diving in here and picking out and showing you what I customized because I picked almost every single thing in here, and then you do get like a couple bonus items that they pick for you. It's like a total surprise. So I am like, I have to show you the best thing first. I have to show you it. I have to show you this. I have to. So this is the designer item, okay, that's in this box, and it's from Alice and Olivia. Oh my God, it's from Alice and Olivia. It is this gorgeous daisy duffel bag. Guess how much this retails for? Just guess. Bet you can't. I bet you can't guess. $150 this retails for, okay? $150, and it's gorgeous designer, and it's not just like, oh, that's like a lame designer. So relevant right now. Like seriously, so relevant right now. Just showed at New York Fashion Week. Like, oh my God, I'm so excited. I'm like, literally, I'm so excited. Hold on. Look at this. Okay. That's the Alice and Olivia logo. These are, sorry, I just wanted to open it with you because like I really just needed you to see this. The straps are just, they're gorgeous. They're like satiny. Let's open this thing up, shall we? And this is one of your options that you guys could have picked. Oh my gosh. It's got a nice little like pocket right here. They've got one on the other side too. So this is the inside of it. Great size duffel bag right there. Great size. Let me show you up close what it looks like so you can see the print really nice. Oh my God, my God, my God, my God, my God. Guys, designer duffel bag. Who are we? Who are we? And it's great. So it's got this nice strap right here that fits really comfortably over your shoulder. Or you can adjust this obviously and then do a longer strap. But this is just gorgeous quality, really nice structured bottom. Nothing's gonna be sagalicious. Oh my God, I'm like, I love it so much, you guys. This is the best subscription box. I am like over the moon with everything they send. I'm serious. I just love it. I really do. I'm just being so honest. Like, it's so great. It's so great. And oh my God. Okay. So that's the first thing. But I just want to quickly mention, because this is where I really was having a lot of inner strife. So you also could have chosen as one of your options, like, all the options were great. You could have got something from Perricone MD that retails for $98. But one thing that I really was like, oh my God, if I didn't already have this, this is what I would have picked. You could have picked, okay, a Short Stories LED indoor planter, and it comes with basil seeds. Literally an indoor herb garden. That's like an automatic herb garden that comes out with the light on it. You guys, these things retail, it retails for $60, but these things typically retail, I bought one for $150. And they're amazing. They're literally amazing. It's an indoor herb garden that grows, and you don't have to like worry about the lighting. It just does everything for you. It's amazing. And this is why I said, I'm like, I really feel like I need to sign up for another box, because you get it for such a low price. Oh my God. That's it. So the next thing that I chose is from the brand Splendid, which I believe is at Nordstrom. I've bought a couple things from them before, but they're a really expensive brand, and like they're really nice. So anyway, look, I don't need any more of these, but I did pick the pink slippers. And let's see what these retail for really quick. $48. And they're just this beautiful, like, baby pastel pink color. I love them. I love these little crisscross slippers. You can never have enough. I'm just telling you right now, as somebody that has way too many. There's no such thing as way too many. So I love these. I love this color. This is my favorite color ever. Cozy slippers. I love it. I love it. I love it. It seems kind of like they have a memory pad sole to them. So I was just like, oh my God, so cute. Okay, I'm loving it. I'm going to put that in my duffel bag right after this. Okay, next thing. Now, there were a lot of good options, but to me, I was like, I am not missing my opportunity. I am not going to waste my shot. So the next thing that I chose was this Alice and Olivia reversible bucket hat to match my duffel bag. Yes, I did that. So this retails, once again, you guys, like, I can't even believe this, but it really does retail for this, $85 on Alice and Olivia. $85, okay, to match my little thing. And you know what? I'm not really a bucket hat wearer. Okay, then you can reverse it and it can be white. Like that, but obviously I'm gonna do the daisy side, like, to match my duffel bag. But I'm not even really like a bucket hat wearer. Like, how does this even go? I don't even know. Oh my God, this actually kind of looks cute on me. I'm not kidding, this really looks cute on me. I think this looks cute. I mean, my makeup's getting in the rim right now, so it's no longer reversible. But did I tell you it retails for $85? Oh my God, this has great structure, so cute. Guys, like, this is something really cute. Like, you're at the pool. By the way, this is like the spring box, so it's more meant for like when it gets a little bit warmer, but you know, you're laying by the pool. This is perfect. Like, you can read. It's got like a nice visor. It's really comfortable. I mean, to me, this is so cute, and it's so practical if you want to keep the sun out of your eyes, whatever. You're at a baseball game, you're chilling, you don't want the sun in your eyes, you have your shades on. I mean, gorgeous. Gorgeous. Whoa. Okay. Gorgeous designer hat. Designer hat. Did I mention that it's designer? My God. I mean, it's like, I love it. I'm dying. So the next thing that I picked out was this little cosmetic organizer case, and again, once again, it's like the daisy theme. I thought it would be kind of cute, but I also wanted to show you because it's like, you know, this is sometimes like these acrylic things can be kind of expensive. So this retails for, let's check it out. This retails for $30, and it's a really cool, just kind of like eclectic, like I think it's like a really trendy print on it. So let me get this out really quick. Love the print of this. So I thought it'd be really cute to just like organize. I think it's a little bit cuter than like the typical kind of like makeup organizer. There was a lot of other great options, by the way, but I just like, to me, I was just like, I need this. I really, really need this. It's so pretty. I like the daisy idea. I'm very into that idea. And it's too cute. It matches, like, there's like an aesthetic right now that everybody's like kind of doing where it's like kind of like that. It's kind of like retro. I don't know. Next, I think this is like flower themed too. I'm not even joking, but this is from Summer and Rose, and I also was able to customize this. So these are just really pretty tweezers, which you can never have enough. I use tweezers to put my fake eyelashes on, and I'm constantly losing them, but I feel like if I have like this, not only do I have this beautiful case to keep them in, but if I have like a really pretty pair, it'll be like, I'll be less likely to maybe lose them. I don't know, but these retail for $20. I've never seen tweezers come with their own case to them, I'll be honest, which I kind of am loving that. Anyway, look at how pretty these are. I mean, look at how beautiful these tweezers are. Like, they're just high quality, and then this is the little bag that they come with. I mean, come on, guys. So I'm so excited. Like, this is what I'm gonna use, and I just love the color. Like, I had to do it. I just had to do it to them. You know I keep that thing on me. You know I keep that thing on me. So, I mean, I love it. I don't know. You guys could have picked something else, but that's just what I chose. I'm really curious to see what you guys chose for that first one, by the way, because, like, that was a tough choice. My grandma, actually. So, my grandma, I've said this, like, every time I make a video, I talk about my grandma, because she's also signed up for Fabfitfun, and it's the joy of our life. But she chose, like, everything opposite of what I chose, and I think it just highlights like what's so great about these, you know what I mean? So these final things are what Fabfitfun surprises you with, like, so just little add-ons that they give you. So I got these reusable makeup rounds. Now I think that they sent these to me because they know how wasteful I am when it comes to makeup rounds, but look at these. Like, it's nice too because I think you can just like wash them. Yeah, machine wash on warm, but they're just reusable, like cotton rounds. So you can put your makeup remover on there, or actually I don't even think you have to put makeup remover on. I'm pretty sure these are like the kind that just do it for you. But these are really great. They're really popular right now, like just like the makeup remover wipes and stuff like that. Great to travel with. You just pop them in. I bet you could just wash these in the sink too. Like, I'm not kidding. So anyway, you just remove your makeup. I might use these tonight, but they're from the brand Say, and they resell for $15, and I just think they're so cute. I love this little lavender. So that is what they surprised me with. I got these, what are these called? They're from Each Jewels, and they're flower hair clips that retail for $30. Oh my God, look at these. Gorgeous. Everything is flower theme, like everything is daisy theme. I'm loving every second of it. And I like these too because they're like clips. I love stuff like this. Oh my God. Oh, hold on. Oh wait, I can't wear my hat. Hold on. I'm matching in every possible way. I mean, it's just, I love how cohesive everything was. And that was the best part. Like, I kind of wanted it to be that way. Wait a minute. I think I had something else in here too. Oh yeah, I did. The last thing that I got is this Suns Out, Pouts Out, and it's gold foil lip masks. And these retail for $16. They're from the brand SF Glow. And it's just really pretty. Let's see what these do. Kiss Dry Lips Goodbye Botanical Extracts deeply hydrate and condition the lips for smoother pout in minutes. Okay, cool. And they're vegan, which is even better. Gold foil. Oh my God, so cute. So cute. I'm gonna keep these in my mini fridge and then like put them on when I want to. I've been having like super dry lips, especially in winter, but like my corner of my mouth keeps cracking. I don't know if I'm eating like super dry, whatever, but it's a problem. Okay, so that's everything that I got in my spring Fabfitfun box. I'm so curious to know what you guys got, especially what you chose for like the first, you know, like the big ticket item. Like I want to know what you guys chose, because that was honestly so hard for me, and that decision will haunt me, I feel like. You know, it's like a road less traveled conundrum. But anyway, if you guys want to save $10 off your very first box, it's the best subscription box you could ever get. I'm just, every time I'm so impressed with it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Best box ever. So if you want to use my code, it's Kiki10, and subscribe if you want to see more Fabfitfun unboxings. I'm sure I'll be doing the next one, which will be summer. So anyway, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!